The Tata Group is a global enterprise headquartered in Mumbai. Today, the group has over 100 companies present across 100 countries, serving its stakeholders with a mission to improve quality of life of the communities we serve globally through long-term stakeholder value creation based on leadership with trust. The Tata leadership created regional corporate offices spanning North America, UK, Europe, Asia Pac, China, and the most recent addition being Middle East and North Africa, MENA. The MENA region is emerging as one of the important markets for Tata now. The group began its operation in the region about half a century back. 20 Tata enterprises have substantial presence in a variety of industry sectors, including automobiles, Range Rover being the darling of the desert, information technology, communication, trading, infrastructure development, steel, shipping, retail, and last but not the least, hospitality. The regional office in Dubai is continuously enhancing and enriching the relationship between Tata Group and the countries in this geography. The region has a diverse mix of countries. On the one extreme, we have the GCC countries who continuously power ahead with infrastructure and mega developments fueled by oil revenues. We have states like Syria, Yemen, Iraq that are in the state of prolonged civil war. We have countries like Algeria, Egypt, Iran, which are seen as having great potential and can be described as being a transitional state in terms of economic, social, and political developments. So let's look at opportunities. Firstly, the oil exporting countries are at the brink of major socio-economic reforms to bring in inclusive growth, which is beyond hydrocarbons. These reforms include opening up markets for newer sectors of the economy, manufacturing, services, improving overall business environment, privatizing some of the state-owned giants, and bringing reforms in economic structure, which is all-pervasive. All this offers great opportunities for a diverse group like Tata. The world is emerging to be interconnected, though separated by different regions. And we believe that MENA has its place in shaping the future of the world.